We want the Reserve Bank to belong to South Africa if we want to guarantee the sovereignty of South Africa. Why do we have private shareholders in the Reserve Bank? We are here to say, why is our data expiring? But the phone is not expiring, but the data is expiring. So we don't want data to expire. We don't want airtime to expire. I must buy 100 rand airtime and I must decide when to use it. There shouldn't be a fool somewhere deciding on when I should use the data. This data, you students are using it to do research. You, the unemployed youth, are using it to search for jobs. We are not asking for luxury. We met with MTN and we told them we don't want this thing of data expiring and airtime. We equally want them to reduce the money for data because it is more expensive in South Africa compared to other countries.